Note that we have these three pieces. We can assemble the head first. First, fold everything to the inside. Not so much because later can be troublesome, but now something like this. The reverse too. And the little flaps too. There will be inserted the neck when we make the chest. Now, I will think this. This part is the chin, this part. So the face will be always faced in this side, not this one. It will not look as good as this other side. Primarily, I designed them to be the same, but it didn't work out, so I make a chain. Okay, something to take care of, important, pay attention is this. The union here, well, the flap connects with the rest of this, goes aligned with the um, this side like this. Um, my camera doesn't work like I expect. That's important. First put the whole around glue, then quickly attach one carefully, the opposite one, so you know it won't fall outside the face, and do the rest then. Hold it. Now you know why I made the edge A-laces, so they go outside. Okay, there is a small piece. It's just a circle. It's simple. It goes in the behind of the head, in the back of the head. There are some models like Derpy and Lyra, I believe. Uh, they do not have this because I have yet to invent it. Um, I added it mostly because um, it allows the pieces to be stronger when assembled, and it doesn't get easily crushed as before when you add the hair piece. Hair, cabello. I would rather make these tutorials in my home language, Spanish, but uh, I don't know yet how to make subtitles. That would be great. We will go way much faster. Okay. Now that I have the whole head assembled, I can get to add the muscle because, or the mouth, um, it's easier to grab and prepare for. What you will do is as follows. Put some glue in the flap and inside the mouthpiece and quickly glue it. This time I didn't look and prepare and I put it like way to the side, but if you got lucky enough, you will glue just fine in the middle, not like me. Um, anyway, it doesn't look too bad considering how badly the general design is, but okay, the head. Now, we will assemble the body. The body is just two pieces that I can't find the other. Where did I put it? Mira que no trae.